ilusi, estreito e comprido. Barra da Tamão me ilusi, estreito e comprido. Alegre na entrada me ilusi, triste na saída. Alegre na entrada me ilusi, triste na saída. Por amor da voz me ilusi, eu fico soldada. Por amor da voz me ilusi, eu fico soldada. Fazer a sentinela me ilusi, levar chicotada. Fazer a sentinela me ilusi, levar chicotada. Oh Maria Pitache, 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 oh Maria Pitache. Rapariga feia me ilusi, não se pode nascer. Rapariga feia me ilusi, não se pode nascer. Como a pera verde me ilusi, não se pode comer. Como a pera verde me ilusi, não se pode comer. Ai, Luzi, Luzi, me ilusi, não cuspi no chão. Ai, Luzi, Luzi, me ilusi, não cuspi no chão. Cuspir no meu peito, me ilusi, rega e coração. Cuspir no meu peito, me ilusi, rega e coração. Ai, Maria Pitache, oh 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 Maria Pitache. Maria Pitache, oh 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 Maria Pitache, Maria Pitache, oh 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 Maria Pitache, voices Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, everybody, Maria Pitache, oh 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 Maria Pitache. Oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. Last time, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. Oh Maria Pitache.
Thank you, dear students of Standard First Green. It was a scintillating performance. You all have set us in a party and celebration mood. You have danced well to the beats of Maria Pitache, a Goan pop song. May I now request Mrs. Swati Patel, PTA member of Standard Second Yellow, to kindly come on the podium and do the honor of giving the prize to our winner in academics. I kindly request our respected principal ma'am to accompany our PTA member, Mrs. Swati Patil. Master Aditya Murugle from Standard First Green has secured the Proficiency Prize in Academics in Senior KG Sunflower B for the academic year 2013-14. Congratulations, Master Aditya. Well done. Thank you, ma'am.
Dear parents, we are very glad to inform you that our Honorable Trustee will now inaugurate the school website. Our school website, www.boystown.in, can be viewed 24/7 on your modern devices such as tablets, laptops or computers as well. We recommend all our parents to check out the glimpses of our activities and events which are updated in the gallery according to every section, that is prep, primary, secondary and higher secondary. So make sure you visit www.boystown.in regularly. Now I request our Honorable Trustee, Mr. Naval Mehta, to kindly come and inaugurate the school website. Thank you, sir. We request you to kindly speak a few words.
You know what they say? It's to err is human. When you have a computer in your hand, God only knows what happens. And that's exactly what happens. Anyway, on a day like this, it is my pleasure to welcome parents to Boys Town and into the Boys Town family. Most of your children are from the junior, prep and primary sections. Parents, there is a few things I would like to talk to you about before I say my thanks. One is that if you notice the way they dance and the way they behave, it's all about confidence. Confidence to be able to stand in front of 3,000 people and do what they've done is very, very commendable and very, very good. Parents, my request to you is that please give them confidence to speak English. It is something that you want them to do because you put them in an English medium school. For them to study in later life and through the school, they need to know English. And therefore, without you creating the confidence for them to speak in English, it is going to become more difficult for them to achieve what we and what you and me want, is for them to have a good career in life at a later stage. Therefore, parents, once again I say to you that you have your children more at home than we have them in school. And it is very important for you to be able to encourage them, give them confidence to speak in English at home. If you can do that, then they can do what they've been doing here also. Talk and get their confidence of English. Anyway, I hope, parents, that this goes a little further by you really taking some advantage of it. In the meantime, there are many thanks that I have to say. Let me start with my teachers. Believe me, if it wasn't for the teachers, the school would not be there and nothing would be get done. So before I say anything, teachers, I thank you very much for the last year and the hard effort that you put in. Parents, please give them a very large hand and applause. Believe me, without them, there is no school. The next I need to thank are my principals. All of you know who they are. I won't go through them again with you. But they are the guiding hands to the teachers. Parents, give my principals a nice, good applause and thank them too from me. Thank you, principals. Thank you very much. Finally, there is a bunch of other people also working in the school. Some of them are menial staff, some of them are office staff. We forget our menial staff. Our menial staff are staff that keep our classrooms clean, keep our campus clean. They actually do a lot of hard work once the kids go. Our parents, I would like you to thank them also because they need it.
They are the ones that keep our classes clean. Thank you, menial staff. Thank you very much. And of course, then come the office staff. The office staff also, they keep the school running in a methodical fashion, especially Mrs. Shah, who has to deal with the government authorities all the time. I thank her and I thank my other staff. And once again, parents, I say that give your children the confidence to speak English. It is important. Remember, at the end of the day, education is two things. It's school and parents. Unless parents also cooperate, it becomes very difficult for the school and the child to get what you need. If you as a parent have decided to send your school to an English medium school, then you must make them speak and practice their English at home. 8 hours a day in the school or 6 hours a day in the school is not enough. If you want them to get where I think we all want them to get, that is, have a good career at the end of it. Parents, again, I thank you very much for coming, and let's carry on with the program. Good.
Thank you very much, sir, for your words of appreciation. You are always our inspiration and motivation. Thank you very much.
Have you ever heard of performing Western dance on a folk music? Well then, our friends of First Green will now demonstrate us this fascinating and innovative fusion of Western dance on Bhangra beats and classical music.
Oh,
Students of Standard 4th Green, it was a fascinating and mind-blowing performance. It was wonderful to see the fusion of Western dance with Bhangra beats and classical music. It was a beautiful blend, a fusion of the two types of dance forms. May I now request Mr. Shirpad Deshpande, PTA member of Standard 4th Green, to kindly come on the stage and do the honor of giving the prize to our winner in academics. I request our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Rija Raju of the primary section, to kindly accompany our PTA member, Mr. Shirpad Deshpande, on the stage. Miss Prerna Bharambe from Standard 4th Green has won the Proficiency Prize in Academics for the academic year 2013-14 in Standard 3rd Green. Very good, and congratulations, Miss Prerna. Thank you, sir, madam.
Fasten your seatbelts, dear parents.
Here are students of 2nd Green are ready to take you
To a roller coaster ride with a doom, doom, macha le!